If you're wondering how to export a list from Housecall Pro, you're in the right place. Whether you're a seasoned pro or new to the platform, this quick and easy guide will show you how to export your data efficiently. Stick around to the end to learn a pro tip that can save you time and help you stay organized. Housecall Pro is an incredibly versatile software used by many service businesses to streamline operations. One of the most useful features it offers is the ability to export customer lists, job details, and other vital data. This can be invaluable when you're trying to manage your business more effectively, track performance, or simply back up your information. First, you'll want to log into your Housecall Pro account and head over to the Customers section. Once you're there, you'll see all your client information displayed. This is where you can find the details of the customers whose information you want to export. It's important to note that you can filter the list by different criteria, such as active clients, specific job types, or locations, to make the export more relevant to your needs. After you've selected the desired filters, look for the Export button. It's typically located at the top right corner of the customer list. Once you click on this, you'll be given the option to export your list to either a CSV or Excel file. Choose whichever format suits your needs best. CSV is a great option if you're working with databases or importing it into another tool. The file will then begin downloading, and depending on the size of your list, it may take a few seconds or longer. Once the file is downloaded, you can open it with any spreadsheet tool like Excel or Google Sheets. From there, you can further manipulate, analyze, or even send this data to your team or use it for marketing purposes. Now here's a pro tip for you. If you're exporting customer data to use for marketing, try grouping your customers by their job types or locations. This can help you target the right clients with personalized marketing, which is far more effective than a broad approach. With Housecall Pro's advanced filtering options, this process is easier than ever. One thing I love about Housecall Pro is how it helps small businesses automate tedious tasks, so you can spend more time growing your business instead of managing spreadsheets. The ease of exporting data is just one of the features that make it an excellent choice for service businesses. Remember, if you're new to Housecall Pro and want to get started, you can try it completely free with our exclusive bonuses by clicking the first link in the description below. Don't miss out on this limited time offer. It's a great way to explore the software and see if it's the right fit for your business. That's it. Now you know how to export a list from Housecall Pro, and with just a few clicks, you're ready to put that data to work for your business. If you want to dive deeper into more features like this, don't forget to check out the extended free trial link below to get started with Housecall Pro today.